Welcome to Mastering Salesforce AppExchange, Strategies and Installation Tips. In this video, we'll guide you through the world of Salesforce AppExchange and provide you with the knowledge you need to develop your own strategy and install apps successfully. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is Salesforce AppExchange? AppExchange is an expansive marketplace where Salesforce partners leverage the platform's flexibility to create incredible apps and solutions, available for anyone to use. AppExchange offers a multitude of apps that can help organizations manage various aspects, from payroll to travel approvals and integrations with tools like Evernote and MailChimp. However, before you dive headfirst into the vast sea of apps, it's crucial to develop a solid AppExchange strategy. A well-thought-out strategy ensures that you choose apps that provide the most value without redundancy or unnecessary expenses. Here's a step-by-step guide to crafting an effective AppExchange strategy. Identify the departments using or planning to use Salesforce. These are your primary stakeholders. Research available apps on AppExchange that align with your stakeholder requirements. Discuss business cases to understand precise needs. Ask questions like, what business problem are you trying to solve? What are your main pain points? How many users need this app? What's your budget? What's your timeline? Test the app in a controlled environment like a developer edition or sandbox to ensure compatibility with existing apps and customizations. If you're deciding between multiple apps, evaluate their features and gather feedback from stakeholders. Install and deploy the chosen app in your production environment, keeping your users informed and providing training and documentation as needed. Congratulations, you've now unlocked the full potential of Salesforce AppExchange. By developing a solid strategy and following best practices for app installation, you can supercharge your Salesforce organization with the right tools. To begin, log into your Salesforce org and navigate to the AppExchange. Once you're on the AppExchange homepage, look for the search bar. Type in DocuSign and hit enter. Locate the DocuSign app in the search results. On the DocuSign listing page, click the Get It Now button to start the installation process. After logging in, provide additional information. Fill in the required details and proceed. Now you'll see the installation options. Choose Install for all users to ensure that the DocuSign app is available for everyone in your Salesforce org. Review the installation details and confirm your choices. Click Install to begin the installation process. Once the installation is complete, you'll receive a confirmation message. DocuSign is now installed and available for use in your Salesforce org. First, log into your Salesforce org and navigate to the Setup menu. Click on the App Launcher, search for the application name DocuSign. From the searching result, click on the DocSign app. Let's configure and use the application. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or want to explore this topic further, please feel free to reach out. Have a fantastic day.